In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload supplier invoices to Xero. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know how to place your supplier invoices into Xero's files area, specifically the files inbox, and then use those uploaded documents when you create a bill. This keeps your paperwork organized, supports audit trails, and makes approvals and payments smoother. First, open Xero and sign in as you normally would. If your account has access to more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before you go any further. It's also a good idea to have your supplier invoices saved on your computer and clearly named, for example with the supplier name, invoice number, and date. Clear scans or PDFs will make them easier to review later. From the Xero Home dashboard, head to the main navigation and open the company menu. This is where you'll find tools and resources that apply across your organization rather than to a single transaction. Within that menu, choose Files. Think of Files as your central library for documents related to the business. Inside Files, the inbox is a temporary holding area where new documents land before you attach them to a transaction or file them away. Now click Upload to Files Inbox. You can drag and drop your invoice files straight into the upload window or browse your computer to select them. Most common formats, such as PDF or image files, work well. If you're uploading multiple invoices at once, it often helps to keep one invoice per file so matching is quick later. Give the upload a moment to complete and then confirm that your invoices appear in your files inbox. If needed, you can rename a file here so it's easier to identify when you're creating a bill. With your invoices safely in the files inbox, you're ready to add them to bills. When you create a new bill in Xero, look for the option to attach a file from your files library, then select the relevant invoice you just uploaded. Attaching the invoice directly to the bill makes it easy for approvers to verify details like supplier, date, and amounts. And it keeps supporting documents in one place for future reference. That's all there is to it. Open Xero, go to the company menu, select Files, upload your invoices to the Files inbox, and then attach those files when creating a bill. Keep your file names descriptive, upload clear copies, and you'll have faster reviews, better records, and fewer back and forths during month end. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.